Hi everyone, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll take you through the Temple Wallet mobile app installation process. First, open Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top, then type Temple Wallet app. This is the app that we're going to be downloading. All you have to do is tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before installing. Let it begin downloading now. When the download is finished, tap on Open. After following the instructions, you can access the application. When the download is finished, tap on Open. After following the instructions, you can access the application by logging in or registering. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.